We're in the middle of our stay at the Fairmont Kea Lani in Wailea. Come stay with us, see if the Fairmont's right for you, and explore Wailea. I am Jordan.
And I'm Erica.
And this is the Hawaii Vacation Guide.
With kids.
With kids. Kids or couples. It's all good. We are checking in today at the Fairmont Kea Lani. We're looking forward to this stay.
I'm so excited to be here.
Whoa.
It's called Mermaid Dream. It's sculpted from a single piece of monkey pod wood. And it took 1 year and 9 months to complete.
Oh, that's Wailea. Flying, man.
24/7.
Do they get loud at night?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Baby care shampoo and lotion kit. So nice.
So we just checked in, checked out the room. Now we're going to lunch right now at Ama. Kids eat free. And it's a lovely walk because the Fairmont, like a lot of the Wailea resorts, have gorgeous lawns, big sprawling gardens. This gym has a sunset view. Like, if anything makes you want to work out on vacation, it's this gym right here.
Ready to pump some iron.
Pump some iron, Edie. Yeah, girl, get it. Where's the secret hot tub? There it is. Anyone in there? Oh, no one's in there. Excellent. So everyone here at the Fairmont calls this the secret hot tub because it's kind of like hidden by the waterfall. I'm sure you'll find it. It's not that hard to find. If you're interested in staying here at the Fairmont or learn more about the hotel, click the link in the description down below. See if this is the right place for you to stay, and make sure to check out our Where to Stay guide on our website. That's at thehawaiivacationguide.com/where to stay, and we'll show you all the great spots all over the island, especially Maui. Sounds so nice. Henry, are you scared? No. There we go. If you're interested in booking the Fairmont Kea Lani or learning more, click the link in the description below. Check out Where to Stay directory too, because we have a lot of cool places to stay here. exploring the kid pool at the Fairmont right now. It's kind of like a lazy river. It's got levels too. It's got water slide, nice cabanas, poolside service. There's a lot of happy families here. So the Fairmont has one of the best lounges on the island. We love it because of the sunset view and the sushi bar and the happy hour special, the Pauhana. It's a nice lounge. We've always loved it. So a nice benefit the Fairmont hotels, at least here in Hawaii, is the Big Island, the Orchid, and this one on Maui. The pools are open 24/7, and so is the fitness centers. It's a nice little feature. It's like a family hotel, but also a lot of fun. Good morning. Thanks for staying with us at the Fairmonts. We had a great time. If you want to stay here or learn more about the hotel, click the link in the description below to learn more. Plus, clicking that link book helps us out. We're off to the next adventure.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.